Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for exams with flashcards, updated. Start by identifying core concepts and writing concise question and answer cards that focus on definitions, formulas, and key examples. Use clear prompts and short answers so recall is fast and precise. Group cards by topic or difficulty to create focus sessions, then set a daily routine that mixes new cards with older ones for spaced repetition and steady progress. In this video, I will explain how to study for exams with flashcards, updated. Practice active recall by attempting an answer before revealing the back of the card, and keep answers short to train your memory. Speaking answers out loud or teaching a peer boosts retention and clarifies weak spots. Track which cards are missed and repeat them more often until you can answer quickly and confidently under simulated exam conditions. In this video, I will explain how to study for exams with flashcards, updated. Adopt spaced review by revisiting cards at growing intervals to move knowledge into long-term memory. Keep study sessions short and consistent rather than cramming, and use simple systems to sort cards by how well you know them. This method saves time, reduces stress, and makes exam prep sustainable by focusing effort where it matters most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.